Hi guys, good morning. This is one for the team, and this is Mr. Ron. It's Friday, January 27th. A few more days go before the end of the month. Currently doing a step challenge from Derek's Journey. I would tell you this is one for the team. It's a little cold out this morning, but it's not bad. At least it's not windy like it usually is in our state of Massachusetts. I came over here at Barrett Park this morning to get some step mileaging for the end of the month. It's going really good. I'm down 8 pounds for the month. I feel really good. I think the step challenge really helped me to shed some pounds off. Thank you for that, Derek. Did the coffee crawl today. Stopped in a couple places already this week. I'll wrap it up on Sunday and turn in my car at City Hall. And went down to Dippin' Donuts today. They were really good. Did get a donut. No big deal. We don't cry about it, but we're supporting the local businesses. And yeah, it's going good. So we got no Canadian geese here, and I got a lot of photos I'll be putting in above the timeline. We're going to be doing the charity tonight at the St. Cecilia's Parish Bingo tonight because we hadn't had it last week due to the inclement weather that we had. But be that as it may, we enjoyed the night off, and now we'll be enjoying another night of volunteering and seeing our friends over there from the people at Bingo. The volunteers, fantastic. I enjoy working with that group of people, and we all have a good time. And so if you're not doing anything some Friday night, you want to come down. The stores open at 4:30. They start at 6 o'clock or 4 o'clock. I think they open at 4. They got some great food in the kitchen. They're very inexpensive. And enjoy your night with your spouse or significant other or boyfriend or girlfriend. And stop in and say hi to Ron. But I'm just going to show you why. This is one of my favorite places to hike in the city. Because there's a straight out trail. You could go behind the woods over there, go to the waterfall. But we're not going to do that today because it's too icy for me. I'm going to be getting a pair of hiking boots next week for hiking, specifically for this kind of weather. But this is what I'm looking at. I've gone fishing over here plenty of times. I came walking up that little bridge area, and there's got picnic tables over here you can sit down on and stuff like that. And this is where I usually go fishing. I usually set up a chair over there right over there to my left over there where that tree is. And I just crank my pole in the water and just whatever potluck of fish I get, that's what I get. It's fun, it's relaxing, and nobody bothers me. Put on my playlist, and I'm usually good to go for the day. But yeah, so I'm still looking for a part-time job somewhere. It's got to be a good fit for me, guys. I'm not doing the overnight shift anymore. Somebody wanted to hire me like a 12-hour shifts there, 6 at night to 6 in the morning. Yeah, I did that for years. That ain't happening. But, and I could be very selective. But I don't need a job, but I just kind of like to have some extra fun money. And start saving up for some more camera gear. But anyways, I'm going to let you guys go. This is just a little quick video what I'm doing and how I'm getting out there and getting my weight off for the month of January. February, Daniella Joy and I are going to be doing a live stream on our YouTube channel on a Sunday morning, I believe. So be watching for that video. And I'll post some more information about it as we get to it. And I talk about my amazing weight loss journey and what I'm eating and what did it do to my health after I lost it and what condition I was before I went on the amazing weight loss journey. I says, yeah. So, I took off 130 pounds officially, but unofficially I took off 151 pounds because I had started my journey about 1 or 2 years before the official date. But the thing of it is, I just wanted to get out there and get healthy, get rid of some of this weight and feel better about myself. And I have no more cane issues anymore. I don't need a cane. I feel really great. The hip was replaced last year. Eventually, I'll get the left one done, but as long as I don't need the cane and I'm not in any pain like I was before, then I'm good to go. And my feet are much better. I found some silicone healing they put on my back of my heel, and they feel really fantastic. So my feet are healing up really nicely. And that's going to be the huge difference. And yeah, of course I got to get a better pair of gloves than this. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. This is just a short little video on what I do. And I'm sorry for the shakiness of the video camera, but it is kind of cold with my hands. I got my gloves off just so I can shut my camera down and get walking. But I only got a little bit of a perimeter left to walk from there all the way over there, where you see those cars parked over there. And that's where my car is parked. And then I'm going to head home, have something to eat, and relax before we go out tonight. So enjoy your day, guys.